They did not understand the definition of addition of matrices. Today I want to elaborate little about that. So if you want to take addition of two matrix means one thing, order must be same. Order must be same. This is the first thing. Second thing is you have to add corresponding elements. Don't write this. It is not required. Add corresponding elements. See, now have you understood why order must be same? If order is not same, how can you add corresponding elements? Example I will show. Let me take a matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. What is order of this matrix? What is order? 2 by 3. 2 rows are there, 3 columns are there. Plus. Don't write this, and no need to take what you will screenshot also not required. Don't take that. We will send notes anyhow. Afterwards you can write clearly. Now you want to write means in some rough notebook or some sheet you can write this. To notes you can copy later. I hope you understood. Don't be in a hurry of taking the screenshot or writing in a hurry. Not at all required. Listen to me carefully. First, that is the thing you need to follow. Okay. Now I am writing another matrix. So another matrix B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23. This is the matrix. Okay. Now, addition of this matrix will be this one, C11, or else before I take C11, let me take like this. 1 minute. Okay. So addition of this will be corresponding elements. This one and this one. See, this is also a 2 by 3 matrix. So corresponding elements you have to add A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A13 plus B13, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22, A23 plus B23. Okay. This is how you have to add. Next, after this, the answer will be C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23. This is how matrix addition will go. Okay. So, for this, how we give definition is, if A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij, or any two matrix of same order, say order is m by n, then addition of these two matrices is given by the matrix C, that is C is equal to matrix A plus matrix B, and C is equal to Cij of same order m by n, where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. Here, why we write like this is, see here how I wrote C11 means what? A11 plus B11. So that is what here Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. I hope now you are following this. Okay. Have you understood? Yesterday somebody asked about definition. They did not understood about the definition. Please reply me for that. Do reply me for that. What is that? Have you understood or not? I hope you understood. While solving sums, you will get clarity about this. Okay, huh? So in the similar manner, if you want subtraction, then how it will be? Instead of plus, you have to take minus. Then here order must be same. Whether it is addition or subtraction, order must be same. Okay. Instead of plus, you should go for minus. Everywhere you should take minus. Okay. So answer will be, so here everything same. Here instead of plus we write minus. So here also instead of plus we write minus. This is what our addition and subtraction of matrix. I told one more concept which is most important, that is scalar multiplication. I told you two kind of multiplication will be there in matrix. Okay. So it is scalar multiplication of a matrix. Okay. What do you mean by this scalar? Tell me. Scalar means constant here. Constant. Okay. That is nothing but, let me take K is any constant and A is any matrix. See here I am telling any matrix. That means any matrix here is nothing but you can take any order, whether it is square matrix or not a square matrix, any matrix you can take, diagonal, scalar, whatever you want to take, any matrix you can take. So here K is a scalar. Let me write it belongs to R. Number agbeku anta enilla. You can take anything. See, even if you write cos theta, that also can be a scalar. Nodi, scalar multiplication andre K into matrix A irutte. For example, A11, A12, A21, A22. Like this it will be there. So see, K is not matrix, whereas this is a matrix. So constant multiplying with the matrix. That is the concept of scalar multiplication. For this, you have to take K inside the matrix. To take K inside the matrix means what you know? Multiply K with every element of the matrix. That is, you have to go like this. K A11. It is a minute. It is just K A11, K A12, so K A21, K A22. That's all. This is how scalar multiplication goes. Definition barivaga avaru enanta baritarappa, definition barivaga. So scalar multiplication Ka is nothing but or else K matrix Aij of order m by n is nothing but Kaij m by n. Like this. For every element you need to multiply K. Is that okay? Fine. One example I will show you. So 2a you want to write, when a is equal to 1, 0, 2, 4. You want to write 2a, then how it will be? 2a is equal to 2 into matrix 1, 0, 2, 4. This is equal to, take 2 inside the matrix, 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. This is your matrix. Okay. Now, the thing you have to observe is, I will tell you, the things you need to observe. Like note I will tell. Note. What will be the note? First thing, for addition or subtraction, matrix order must be same. That is one thing. Either for addition or multiplication, order must be same. Artha? Innondenu resultant after you get addition or subtraction. Okay, after your addition or subtraction, answer in barattallappa, that matrix will have same order. Are you following me? After getting, so resultant matrix I get. Resultant matrix after addition or subtraction, order will be same. Order change agalla. Order will be same. Next, if you do scalar multiplication, so that is after scalar multiplication also, order will not change. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. See, this is very important. Nodi, whatever the order of A, same order will be there for Ka. If A is a matrix of order m by n, then Ka also will be of order m by n. Adu meaning of the third note. Is that okay for you children? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಓಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು, ಸರಿನಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನು. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್, then matrix addition is not possible. I tell, if A is equal to A11, A12, order ಹೇಳಿ 1/2. B is equal to A11, A12, A13. Order ಹೇಳಿ 1/3. See, here A plus B or A minus B is not possible. Okay na? Order same ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ addition ಆಗಲ್ಲ, subtraction ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, shall I continue now? I have to take properties today. Before properties, let us solve some sums so that we will get clarity how addition subtraction will be. I want to take example 8, 9, 10 in the textbook. Of course, I have to solve properties. Before that, let us do some questions. That is, let me go for examples. I will give example 6 and 7 homework. I will start with question number 8. Homework I would like to do first. Your homework will be example 6 is homework. See, I am telling from 2 days, purchase textbook. You have to purchase textbook. Textbook purchase ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, you have to download your textbook. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ ನೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ನಿಮ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, that's why textbook is compulsory. Today I am giving homework example 6. Anyhow, example 6 ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ. Let me take example 7. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸೋದು. ಇಷ್ಟುವರೆಗೂ ನೀವೇನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Now onwards you have to write it in your notebook. This I will send later. ಆದ್ರೂ ನೀವೀಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can go ahead. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, they have given 2 matrix. Let me write that. They have given, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, A is this matrix, and they have given B also, and B is equal to 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 0, 2. Okay, These are two matrices they have given. Question is find 2a minus b. I hope you understood. Nenne obru idakke solution kuda hakidaraಪ್ಪ. Very good. Very good. With their own interest they have solved this. Very good. Nodi first namge 2a bekalva. So let me write 2a first. What is 2a? I want to write that. So for this solution will be, let me find out 2a first. What is 2a? It is 2 into matrix 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3, 1. What is this? You have to multiply 2 inside the matrix. That means for every element you need to multiply. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 1, 2. This is our 2a. Now their question is find 2a minus b. No? Let me substitute. What is 2a? 2a is right. 2a is 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 2. Idu 2a. Minus ide nodi. Minus b substitute ಮಾಡಿ 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 0 2. They're asking you to do subtraction. So this is equal to. If you want, you can write like this. See, if you want, it is. This is not compulsory step. I will show this, but it is not a compulsory step. 2 minus 3, 4 minus of minus 1, 6 minus 3, 4 minus of minus 1, 6 minus 0, 2 minus 2. Answer for this. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. This you see, minus into minus is plus. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. Again here also this is 5. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. This is your 2a minus b. Matrix minus 1, 5, 3, 5, 6, 0. Have you understood this? Till now, if you have any doubts, means just drop a message. I will see. Illivarge doubt idre nange one message haaki. Aita? This is your example 7. Okay. Idu nimge artha agide andre I can go for properties itself. Sariya? Properties adre namge next example 8, 9 ella ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು ನಾವು. So I would like to take properties of addition now. See again, properties of addition ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದಲ್ಲ. You need to write example 7 ಮಾತ್ರ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. I will send you the notes. ಇದು example 7 question ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಈಗ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Fine. So let me start. Properties of matrix addition. Let me start. Properties. Fine. So you have altogether 4 properties. They are also very easy property. First property or law, you can write laws of matrix addition or properties of matrix addition. First one is commutative law. I will write commutative law. Property big spelling, no? Right? Commutative law. Law, property both are same only. Here I will write law. Okay, either you can write law or property. Commutative law is known to you know already. What is that? In algebra, what you follow now? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Here also same to same. How it will be? So what we have to say here, like A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij are any two matrices of same order. A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij or any two matrices of same order. You can say order m by n. Then commutative law is A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is our commutative law. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay. So, this explanation is what will be your A plus B? What will be your A plus B? A plus B is equal to matrix Aij plus matrix Bij. If you add, what you are going to get? You are going to get matrix Aij plus Bij. Okay. This can also be written as this is all not required, but I'll show you. Bij plus Aij. This is nothing but matrix Bij plus matrix Aij. So this is nothing but matrix B plus A. Okay. This is what commutative property. So what does commutative property says you? You have to remember only this much. Commutative property is nothing but A plus B is equal to B plus A. You have to remember A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is your commutative property. Second one I go for. Second one is associative. Associative ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So I would like to write associative law. What it will be? So first ನಾವೇನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Let A, B, C are matrices of same order. Same order ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? Because addition follow ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ compulsorily order is same. So what does it says? What does it says? A plus B plus what happened? Something is happening. One nimsha wait ಮಾಡಿ. enter. ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Properties we have started, right? We have started properties. In properties, already I have discussed commutative law. Commutative law. What does it says? It says A plus B is equal to B plus A. Where A and B are matrices of same order. Second thing, I was discussing about associative law. Here, let A, B, C are matrices of same order, say m by n. are matrices of same order. Say the order is m by n. Now, associative law says that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. This is associative law. That means you can make groups and you can add. That is what your associative law says. Anyhow, proof of this is not required, but I will show how the proof will goes. So LHS I am going to take. LHS is A plus B plus C is equal to matrix Aij plus matrix Bij plus matrix Cij. Okay, so this is equal to, you know, first you have to add inside the bracket. So Aij will remain the same. This you have to solve first. So it is plus, if I add it will become Bij plus Cij. That's it. It will become like this. This is equal to, now you add completely both the matrix you add. Therefore it is Aij plus Bij plus Cij. Okay. This is, can I write the same matrix as like this? Aij plus Bij plus Cij. Can I write like this? This is also same thing only, no? Right. So this is equal to, what it will become? Matrix Aij plus matrix Bij will be grouped at a time plus matrix Cij. So this is nothing but A plus B plus C. So you have A plus B plus C. This is your associative law. Are you following me? If you have doubts, immediately you can send a message. I am going for third property. Third property is existence of additive identity. Most important it is existence of additive identity. What do you mean by additive identity? This also you know already. Then also I want to tell you. See, in algebra, what will be additive identity? Tell me. See, in algebra, 5 plus something is equal to, you must get 5. Or else something plus 5 is equal to, you must get 5. Or else one more example, 6 plus something is equal to 6. Or else minus 2 plus something is equal to minus 2. If such thing happens, that whatever the element is there here, no, that is called as additive identity. It is identity, since you are going for the operation addition, we call it as additive identity. Definitely, multiplicative identity also will exist. Since our operation is addition, we call it as additive identity. Okay, what must be the answer here? 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 0 is 6. Minus 2 plus 0 is also minus 2. Have you understood? Like that, in the matrix, suppose A is a matrix. A is a matrix whose order is m by n. A is a matrix of order m by n. Definitely, there exists a zero matrix. You know, no? There exists a zero matrix of same order m by n. Note, I told you how to represent zero matrix by big 0. Okay, here also I have written 0. That means every element is 0 here of same order. Nodi addition ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ order same ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ same order such that A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. Correct, no? If you add 0 to any element, you will get same element. Therefore, matrix will not change. Therefore, which matrix is called as additive identity? Therefore, which matrix is called as additive identity? Yes, 0 matrix is called as additive identity. So, what I have to tell? 0 matrix is called 0 matrix is called additive identity is called additive identity of matrix addition Okay, so next one, fourth one is this is also most important, existence of additive inverse. What do you mean by additive inverse? Again, let me give some examples. So now 5 plus something is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus dash is equal to 0. Now see, what am I writing here? This is additive identity. Correct? Sum of two numbers is equal to additive identity. Then they are said to be additive inverse of each other. Then these are said to be additive inverse of each other. Say for example, minus 5 I will write. So if you go 5 plus of minus 5 or if you go minus 5 plus 5, answer is 0. 0 is additive identity. If such thing happens, we call additive inverse of 5 is minus 5, reverse. Additive inverse of minus 5 is 5. ಅದೇ ತರ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? minus 2 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು? additive inverse is plus 2, 3 ಗೆ minus 3, like that. Okay, so what must be additive inverse of matrix? I have to tell. Let A is any matrix of order m by n. Yado matrix ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Then what will be its additive inverse? Its additive inverse will be minus A, which is equal to minus, which is equal to minus, which is equal to one minute, it's not working. ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Auto saving not responding.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿದೆ.
In between only.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಹಳೆ ಫೈಲ್ನೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಫೈಲ್ ಎರಡು ಫೈಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲವಾ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience and disturbance. There we were. I was telling about the properties. We have discussed commutative property, associative property. Also, we have discussed existence of additive identity. I have discussed. I was discussing about existence of additive inverse. I was discussing about this. Okay. So how it will be? Let A is equal to Aij is a matrix of order m by n. Then its inverse is given by minus A, which is equal to minus Aij. Same order. Minus A is nothing but no, inverse of A. Negative of A. We discussed yesterday after scalar multiplication. We discussed negative of a matrix. Also we discussed how does it come? Minus 1 into A. So I would like to give an example. If A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. This is there. Then for this inverse, additive inverse ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? For A, you need to add something such that your answer must be zero matrix. So zero matrix ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು? Yes, definitely you have to add with minus A. So minus A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? Minus A is equal to minus A11, minus A12, minus A13, minus A21, minus A22, minus A23. Okay. If you add these two, what happens? Tell me. If you add these two, A11 minus A11 will be 0. A12 minus A12 0. A13 minus A13 0. Similarly, every element is going to become 0. So this is nothing but zero matrix. So it is 0. So existence of additive inverse means what? For every matrix A of order m by n, there exists additive inverse that is minus A of same order, such that this is the property you have to write like this: A plus of minus A is equal to minus A plus of A is equal to 0. Here A is additive inverse of minus A. Minus A is additive inverse of A. A is called as additive inverse of minus A, and minus A is called as additive inverse of A. Okay, this is about properties of matrix addition. This is what? Properties of matrix addition. Now I have to go for properties of scalar multiplication. I have to go for property. If you have doubts, just message me. So I have to go for properties of scalar multiplication. Okay, so first property. What will be properties of scalar multiplication is that is k into a plus b is equal to ka plus kb. This is first property. Second property will be k plus l into matrix A is equal to ka plus la, where k, l are scalars, A be matrix. I hope you understood this. To better understand, let me give an example to this. Suppose you have like this 2 into 2004 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. You have like this. See here, this is a matrix. This is scalar. Okay. If the answer ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? For two ways you can write. One way I am writing here. So it will be, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ answer ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? 2 will be outside. Add these two. Inside the bracket you add. If you add, you will get 2 plus 1 is 3. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. Answer for this is 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, and 8 2s are 16. Multiplication ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 you can take inside the bracket. So it is 2 into 2004 plus 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take this 2 2s are 4, 0, 0, 2 4s are 8. Plus 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Now add this. 4 plus 2 is 6, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 6 is 6, 8 plus 8 is 16. Look, this and this, both are same, no? So that is what we are telling. K into a plus b is there, means you can write it as ka plus kb. This is the property of scalar multiplication. Second property, suppose you have like this 2 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್, ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. You can do like this 2 into 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 3 into 5, 6, 7, 8. Do this, what you will get? 10, 12, 14, 16. Plus 15, 18, 15, 18, 21, 24. Add how much it is? 10 plus 15 is 25. and this is 30, and this is how much? 35, and this is 40. Okay, right. Or else you can do one more thing here. What is that? 2 plus 3 is 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 25, 30, 35, 40. See, both are same. This is what? Properties of scalar multiplication. Okay. Now what I will do is, I will take some problems. Let us go for few sums. In the sums, I would like to take examples. Examples ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ as usual. No? That you know. Okay. Today I will send some of example sums or exercise sums. You have to solve that. Okay. Now onwards you have to write. Anyhow, properties I will send notes. No problem for that. So I have solved example 6, 7. No. Now I would like to solve 8th one. Let me go for, this is example 8. Excuse me. Example 8 is like this. They have given like this. Given a matrix, A is equal to 8, 0, 4 minus 2, 3, 6. And B is equal to 2 minus 2, 4, 2, minus 5, 1. It will be. They are asking find a matrix X. Find a matrix X such that 2A plus 3X is equal to 5B. This is what they are asking. Have you understood the question? So you have to find a matrix X such that 2A plus 3X is equal to 5B. See, what is order of this? Order of this is 3 by 2. Order of this is 3 by 2. Definitely in solution what you must have? X must be a matrix of order 3 by 2. Okay. So in solution, first let me write the given thing. What they have given? 2A plus 3X is equal to 5B. Can I write like this? 5B minus 2A. A madri 2A send that side. Now X is equal to 1 by 3 5B minus 2A. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, x is equal to 1 by 3 5 into matrix B. Let me write matrix B. What is B? 2 minus 2. B is 2 minus 2, 4 2 minus 5 1. Minus 2 into matrix A is 8 0 4 minus 2 3 6. This is 0. Simplify this. This is 1 by 3. Let me take 5 inside the bracket matrix. If I take 5 inside the matrix, how does it look? 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, minus 25 5, minus 8 2s are 16, 0, 8 minus 4, 6, 12. I have written 2 inside the matrix. Okay. Now can you see this? This is equal to 1 by 3. Now you know how to solve inside the bracket. Now 10 minus 16. How much? 10. First you have to go for 10 minus 16. So 10 minus 16 is nothing but minus 6. Now it is minus 10 minus 0 is nothing but minus 10. Next you see 20 minus 8. How much it is? 12. 10. See, minus into minus is plus 4. 10 plus 4 is nothing but 14. Minus 25 minus 6. Minus 25 minus 25 minus 6 is nothing but minus 31. Next you see 5 minus 12. 5 minus 12 is nothing but minus 7. This is equal. Now you take 1 by 3 inside the matrix. Minus 6 by 3 is nothing but minus 2. This is minus 10 by 3. 12 by 3 is nothing but 4. 14 by 3. Minus 31 by 3. Minus 7 by 3. This is the answer. So what you got? You got a matrix X. So matrix X. ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ 3 by 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So minus 2 minus 10 by 3 4 14 by 3 minus 31 by 3 minus 7 by 3. This is how you have to find out the matrix.